Ooh. We just pulled up to the spot. Bird fired up behind me. We're about to make a move on him.
You got on auto?
Yeah.
What do you think?
He's for sure coming. He's still going.
He's coming. When he is in the ground, I'm gonna get on behind y'all pretty good.
Brody, what are we thinking?
I'm thinking he's gonna come right down the chute right there. Brody, I think he's gonna come to the left. Alright. And it's last juvenile hunt, bro. Last juvenile hunt ever.
He's gobbling.
I do. Smackdown is coming.
He's closer. What did you say, 250?
Yeah, somewhere around there, 200, 250. We got close enough in on them. Got them fired up, so. They're definitely hammering though.
Yeah. So, we made a little adjustment. He's coming from the left. We're at 33%. Boom! 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 Let's go, baby.
Oh my god, that happened quick.
Like he read the script, bro. Ooh.
Oh. That's how we do it right there. Can you believe that? Were you on him, Don?
Yeah. I had a little leave in the way, but I still got you smoking them.
He kind of gave me one of these numbers. So I was like, nah, it's over for you, buddy. Good shot. God, dude, I'm glad we moved. Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been bad.
Let's go.
Oh, bro.
Dude, he's got some nubs, brother. Yep.
Censored content right here.
Golly, Bill.
PG-13.
We got it done.
We got her done, baby.
Out in the timber.
In the timber, bro. We're not that way, bro. We're not that way. No intel whatsoever.
No idea.
No idea. Heard him gobble.
I mean, boys,
we killed him like 10 minutes ago. It's only 650. So that's about as good as it gets right there.
Well, you can't ask for much better than that. It's gonna be a short video, but pretty much we just came up in here not knowing really anything. We started off on top of this little ridge top, I guess you can call it, and he was probably, what do you think, 300 yards away?
Yep.
And I mean, he pitched down, worked low to our left, so we backed off the ridge right, and it just worked out perfectly. He came right up there, and as soon as he got to the top, he just shot him right there. You just can't ask for much better than that, so we're out of here before 7 a.m.
Yeah, we're gonna have to